Hi guys, my name is Ellie. When I like to do strength training, I like to work on engaging my core. I have a lot of back problems, so keeping my core muscles strong is a really good way for me to prevent back pain. And it's also a great way to strengthen other parts of the body as well. So I like to do planks. Planks are a really easy way to engage your core quickly. So you can just kind of go onto your forearms and put your feet up like this. And this is a good way to do a basic plank like this on your forearms. I like to try to challenge myself to hold it for a minute, which can be pretty challenging, but you can work up to it. If this is difficult, one modification can be to put your knees down like this and hold the plank this way. That's still a really great way to engage your core. You can also go up onto your hands, and it's a little bit easier to hold the plank this way on your hands like this. I also like to work on my oblique muscles, which are your side abdominals right here. And I like to do that by doing a side plank. So you can put all your weight on one hand and one foot and balance this way, like doing a side plank. If this is challenging, you can also put one of your knees down and hold it like this, and that's still a really great way to engage your oblique muscles. Thanks!